Welcome back on this Wednesday morning. So our next winter storm comes for Thursday into Friday. It tracks south of the UP, but it's expected to be bringing in some moderate to heavy widespread snow. That snow starts to move in very late tonight, closer to tomorrow morning, and then it kind of continues through Friday morning. Now, once it moves out, the pattern will shift. We will have a colder pattern with some more seasonal temperatures. In the meantime, the impact meter for those 2 days, I set more of a moderate to a high risk for travel. We're expecting some slippery, sloppy conditions with a little bit of blowing snow. We're not expecting strong winds, but northeasterly winds will have gusts of around 30 to 35 miles per hour, which could cause a little bit of that snow to blow around here and there, especially near Lake Superior. As far as outages, not a big risk. I still set it for some isolated chances and isolated for a few down branches and limbs and things like that. Not too much for lakeshore flooding, but we could still have a little bit of beach erosion because we are expecting it to become a little bit breezy off of the lake. Now, as far as snowfall amounts, we're expecting not a lot over in the tip of the Keweenaw, 4 to 6. That's basically normal. And then 7 to 9 across the west end of the UP. We're expecting around 10 inches to about a foot of snow in parts of the central and the eastern counties. But with that northeasterly wind flow in place, that's going to enhance some lake effect snow right along those northeasterly wind belts. So we could exceed about a foot of snow in parts of the higher elevations in the west end of Marquette County by Friday afternoon. In the meantime, winter storm watches have been issued for the central and the eastern counties of the UP. There are some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings that are in play for Nebraska, Iowa, as well as part of western Wisconsin. So if you're traveling into Wisconsin, know you'll be driving into that later on today as that system starts to move in. So a big impact system that's currently over in Colorado, bringing in some rain to parts of Kansas and southern Missouri. So the way it looks is it's going to lift north and northeast throughout the course of the day, and then we'll start to see some snow move in about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning along the Wisconsin state line. This is 7 a.m. We're going to already have some snow in the southern areas. This will continue to push north and northeast, becoming widespread throughout the course of the day tomorrow. This is 2:30 tomorrow afternoon. That northeasterly wind flow will be in place. 15 to 20 mile per hour wind speeds tomorrow, gusts of 30 to 35, especially near Lake Superior. We'll still have that snow around through tomorrow evening. It starts to taper off tomorrow night and by Friday morning. Friday morning, we'll still have some lingering lake effect snow with that north and northeasterly wind flow in place. But by midday, we'll really start to see that taper off, and then it comes to an end throughout the day on Friday. We'll also have a cooler one. Temperatures on Friday will generally be in the low to mid 20s on Saturday as well. And then we'll rebound a little bit on Sunday with some upper 20s.